Hey there, what's going on? My name's John Erickson, and I'm fully vaccinated. My last trip to Europe, in fact to Italy, I found myself in the Colosseum, 3 a.m. Met a great group of people earlier that night, had a blast. One of them, son of an ambassador, knew how to get in safely, and we explored every nook and cranny of the place. Watched the sunrise there too. I speak French. I've lived in Paris, traveled all throughout Europe, and I think the language I'd like to learn most, and I'm actually learning it now, is Spanish. It's very practical here in the Southwest in LA, and there's a lot of travel opportunity around that as well. So thanks so much. Sei soppresso. Sei soppresso. Sei soppresso. Sei soppresso.